Hi everyone, my name is Jen Antunes and welcome to my channel where I come on here to share with you my passion for all things beauty. So today I'm going to be sharing with you what I got in my June Glam Bag. Ooh. And I have to say I am absolutely obsessed with the bag. This is by far my favorite bag so far. Now, for those of you who don't know, Ipsy is a monthly beauty subscription for $12 a month. Each month, there will be a theme, and you'll receive 5 deluxe samples based on a short quiz that you complete when you sign up. You do get to choose one of the items each month, and of course, you can edit and adjust your answers to your quiz as your preferences change. Now, if you are interested in getting your own Ipsy subscription, I will provide my referral link in the description box down below for you. Now, without further ado, let's see what I got. So in the bag, you'll receive a card that lets you know about that month's theme. And when you open it up, it gives you a list of all the products that are in your bag, a description of each of the products, and it also gives you a tip on how to use the products. And then on the back, it gives you an update or just let you know a special offer that they're offering this month. Okay, so what do you say we pull out the first item, which is... So Juliet has a gun from Pear Inc. Sounds interesting. Oh, so this is a fragrance. This is actually the first time I've ever gotten a fragrance from Ipsy. It's got a nice scent. This actually came in handy. I like to keep these in my little middle console that I have in my car, so that way I can just like quickly spritz myself before I go into some place. And I literally just ran out of the one that I was using, so I'm actually going to use this and put this in my car because it actually does smell nice. It will be like a nice summer scent, so... If you crave a fresh scent for summer, then this fragrance is for you. Equal parts juicy and mouthwatering, happy and uplifting. The notes of green pear and musk are good vibes bottled. So the full-size version of this product is $100. So the next product is, looks like nail polish. So this is from We Are Fluid. And it says, say hello to your new summer mani go-to. This pastel pink shade feels fresh, glam, and totally on trend for warmer months. The best part, it's a 7-free formula, which means it doesn't have some potentially harmful ingredients found in many nail polishes. The retail value of this in the full size is $15. So, the company, I believe, is called We Are Fluid, and the shade is called Gala Cafe. It's like a nice pale pink shade. I actually don't have this shade of pink. That's pretty much, if I ever do apply any nail polish on my nails, and the nail polish I apply onto my toes, it is basically pink or red. So I... don't actually have this shade of pink, so I'm actually going to try it out. The next product is YC Collection. Oh, it's a little eyeshadow quad. These shades look pretty. They look like they would be a perfect little summer quad. This is a YC Collection eyeshadow quad in Sun, El Alba, Earth, and Peach. From matte peach to gold shimmer, the highly pigmented eyeshadow quad has all you need for endless summer eye looks. The shadows blend and build so easily, whether you're looking for a wash of color or a subtle smoky eye. Trust us, you'll be reaching for these versatile shades all season. And the full-size product of this is $24.99. I've actually never heard of YC collection, but these shades do look pretty. I will say though, I most likely have these shades in my makeup collection, so I will probably pass this along. But this would be something great to take on vacation or to a weekend getaway. It's a very, very pretty summer little quad. The next item is Glam Glow. It is their Super Mud Clearing Treatment. This mask is bestseller for a good reason. The super powered formula is ideal for normal, combo, and acne-prone skin types. Uses charcoal to absorb dirt and buildup, exfoliating acids to nix dead skin cells, and eucalyptus leaf extract to balance oil. The full-size version of this product is $60. I'm really interested in trying this out. This sounds like a great mask to wear for my combination skin in the summertime, especially. So I really do enjoy Glam Glow products. I mean, I'm sitting here trying to think, at least from what I am thinking right off the top of my head, don't quote me, I can't think of anything right now, but I believe every Glam Glow product that I have tried, I have liked. I can't sit here and think of like, oh yeah, that product I didn't like from Glam Glow. Like, I'm pretty sure I've liked every single product that I've at least tried so far. So I love that I'm able to try another product. I'm always looking for products to help with my breakouts and to help keep my skin clear. I will say this past year, my skin overall has been really good in staying clear and not having my typical struggles that I normally have. But I do still have like periods where I am dealing with a little bit of breakout. Like this week, I ended up having a little breakout over here. And there have been a couple days so far already where my oily T-zone has, gotten on my nerves. So this will be interesting to try out. This is one of the reasons why I decided to keep my Ipsy subscription, because I'm able to try products that I will actually want to try, and they're in sample version. So even if I end up maybe not caring for a product, like I'm not going to have a full-size product and trying to get through or trying to pass along. People are more likely to accept samples, especially something that it's new. But to be honest, I am more likely to use these products because they are samples and to try them out rather than feeling the pressure of having to go through a full-size product that I may not like. So that is one of the reasons why I like my Ipsy Glam Bag. So last but not least, it is Cali Cloud Soft Bod Vanilla. I go and sit there and say that I like because I'm able to try new products, and here is a product that I'm not going to try. And it's because it is vanilla. I do not like vanilla. I can't stand the scent of vanilla. So this Luxe Moisturizer, it's infused with sweet almond oil, shea butter, aloe vera, and antioxidants. Deeply hydrates and nourishes skin while helping repair damage. As soon as you smooth it on, your skin will look and feel instantly healthier. So the full-size version of this is $16.95. I will say that I do like the packaging. I like how it's like got the blue and the pink, and it looks pretty cool. But as I said, I don't like the scent of vanilla, so I will be passing this along. That is everything I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag for June. I will have to say overall, this was a good bag. I am especially looking forward to trying this Glam Glow mask. Really looking forward to trying that. I will be passing along the eyeshadow quad and the body lotion. As I said, the eyeshadow quad, I already have these shades in my collection. So I'm just going to pass this along to someone who, could use it. And the body lotion, I don't like the scent. So it's getting passed along. Well, now it's your turn. What did you think of my bag? If you got an Ipsy Glam bag this month, what did you get in your bag? Let us know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed today's video, you can let me know by clicking that like button. And as always, if you have not done so already, I welcome you to join us here on my channel by clicking that subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Remember, be kind to yourself and to others. Bye.